Okay, so we've been out on the road from Queensland. We're down now into Victoria, heading towards South Australia. We've been out in the Prado towing our van, around 3 tonne the van itself, but probably just a bit of feedback for people. We've done full GCM testing on the Prado at 3,800 GVM with full tow capacity, also on 35-inch tyres. So probably this is the first time I've got to do some real distance for myself in the car. And I probably got to say, I'm really impressed with it. I think for a 4-cylinder, smaller type vehicle in that Land Cruiser range, this Prado is pretty impressive, you know. Going up all the hills and things like that. Mind you, we have had the JMACX GCM recalibration. So during testing, we did prove that there was a lot of places where we could improve, obviously that extra weight and load carrying capacity and towing, that we could improve those parameters of for the auto, but also in the power range and controlling temperatures. We also had to run a transmission cooler, so we have a transmission cooler and fan set up on it. But apart from that, this thing has not missed a beat. Towing it alongside with the same van on the Chop 300, you know, like this thing, it does its task all day, every day, and doesn't miss a beat. So for those of you that are looking into Prado 250 as your next rig for traveling and towing and touring, they're actually quite a good car. So keep watching our videos that we're doing. We're going to keep you updated on all the things that we're progressing on the Prado 250. So watch this space.